What is up? Crypto Goblin here. Today we're going to talk about the game Atlas Earth, how I play it, how you might want to play it, and most importantly, free to play. Now, I've been playing this game since August 2022, and I'll just go ahead and put some of my stats up so you can see what I've made playing the game. So we have there $436, and it gains more every day. So you can plug in your numbers on atlasearthcalculator.com, and they can break things down for you. But basically, I'm earning 79 cents per day. And like I said, this is just the way I play the game. There's different ways to go about it, like buying more parcels, buying more badges. But the important thing, I did it all free to play. I haven't put any money into the game, and this is where I'm at now. Now, I went with 149 parcels just because I'm paranoid that I'll buy one in my pocket or something and go over the amount and lose my boost. Here's what I'm referring to. It's the tier levels for when you buy parcels. Now, I wanted to stay at the 30x boost, making 79 cents a day. I'm happy with that, which I'm making more than it says on there because I'm doing full boosts every day because I'm a crazy person. I might tier jump up when I get more Atlas bucks and can jump to the final part of the tier, but for now I'm happy where I'm at. So how do you get to this level of making 79 cents a day? And while it doesn't sound like a lot, personally, if I passed by 79 cents on the ground every single day, I would pick it up and it would add up over time like this has. The best way to start is by watching the ads in the shop for free 2 Atlas bucks. You can watch them every 20 minutes, and you want to cram in as many of these in a day as you can to get those Atlas bucks, get those parcels, get closer to 150 parcels, or 149 in my case. But yeah, just go crazy with the ads, watch as many as you can. You can also get Atlas bucks by connecting your credit card and spending money at certain vendors, like for instance Burger King was one. I think they removed it, but you can earn Atlas bucks just by going and eating food that you might be already going to eat. So I think it's worth doing. I earned a lot from doing that too, but the majority I earned was from ads. Another thing you're going to want to do every day is spin the wheel, which is under the Hunt tab at the bottom of the Atlas Earth app. You have a chance to win Atlas bucks or just regain your diamonds. So you're going to have to collect the diamonds, but it's worth spinning every day, and I have won the 50 Atlas bucks several times. Lastly, you want to stay boosted as much as possible. Like I said, I stay boosted 24 hours a day if I can, but I also wake up in the middle of the night, so I'm able to do it. Oh, and one other thing, definitely don't forget to get the badges to get an added boost to your income as well. So far, I'm at 15% boost. So I think that's pretty good for this first video. I'll definitely make some more on this topic. Now, one thing I wanted to share is that what do I do with my earnings and when do I withdraw? So I withdraw every $5, put it into PayPal savings, which earns 4.3% APY. So I'm pretty happy with how that's going so far. You could also invest it into stocks or crypto, really whatever you want to do with it, or you could just use it for everyday stuff, have $5 a week come in just to help. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like what you see, please subscribe and drop a like on the video. Let me know in the comments what you think, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.